Welcome to the CAD Builder video tutorial series. This video is an overview of the CAD Builder multi-room feature. In this video, we will review the multiple room feature called multi-room, which gives you the opportunity to create different room designs, yet keep them together within one job file. The ability to include multiple room layouts and settings within the same file will help keep your jobs organized, as well as allow you to create project-wide manufacturing and nesting reports. You can also make different finish selections for each individual room, and these will be saved for each room moving forward. Once you have created a new design, by default it will be named Floor Plan. This is located at the top right of your screen in bold text, as you see here. In order to rename this room, navigate to the top of your design space to the icon that looks like a stack of squares called Rooms. Left-click on it and select Manage Rooms from the drop-down menu. In the Manage Rooms dialog box, you will see Floor Plan listed and highlighted. Select the Edit icon that looks like a pencil, and the Change Room Name dialog box will appear. Go ahead and type in the preferred name and then select OK. To create a new empty room, select the Rooms icon again, then Manage Rooms, only this time select the plus sign at the top of the dialog box. The Add Room dialog box will appear. Go ahead and type in the new name to your preference and select Add at the bottom. In order to switch to a different room design, simply select the room you prefer so that it is highlighted and select OK at the bottom of the Manage Rooms dialog box. The name of the active room will always appear at the top right of the design screen. In order to do this in a more efficient manner, you can simply select the Manage Rooms icon at the top and highlight the room you wish to activate. Again, you will see the selected name at the top right corner of your design screen. Now, let's say you've created several rooms for a new home project, including the room settings. By opening up the Manage Rooms dialog box, you can also create a copy of any of these new rooms. Simply select the room you would like to create a copy of and select the plus sign. Now, check the box below that says Copy from Selected and type in the name of the new copied room. You will notice that the Add button will change to Copy. Once selected, your copied room design is ready to go. Just hit OK, and now you have a copy of the original, which includes the same room layout as well as the same room finish selections. Now let's say you decide one of the rooms you have created is no longer valid and you need to remove it from this project. Again, select the Rooms icon and Manage Rooms. Highlight the room you wish to delete and select the minus sign at the top. A dialog box will appear to confirm that you would like to delete it. If so, select Delete and then OK to close the dialog box. Now that we've reviewed how to manage the different rooms you've created, let's take a look at how multiple rooms can be utilized in creating your manufacturing reports, your cut lists, and other printouts. First, you can easily print your current room by navigating to the top left of your screen and select the main menu. The last option in the Design section is Print. This will print the plan and elevation views of your current room only. When selecting the cut list from the left toolbar, you'll see a panel on the left where you can decide which rooms you would like the cut list for. By default, the Select All checkbox is on, and all of the cabinets in each room are selected as well, so you will see a cut list for all of the cabinets in all of the rooms. By unchecking the Select All checkbox, you can now select the cabinets by individual room. Place a check mark next to the box to indicate which ones you would like to include in the cut list. This will apply to the cut list whether you select Assembly or Group by Cabinets from the drop-down menu at the top. Next, we will take a look at the Reports module. Select the Reports icon from the left toolbar, and then for this example, I will select the Door List report. The report will show the door list for the room that I am currently in, which in this case is the kitchen. You can see this noted at the top of the report for reference. In order to create a report that includes the entire job, Take a look at the right-hand panel showing the attributes, and towards the bottom there is a section titled Room. Here you can check the box next to Select All to include all the rooms in the job, or you can select the drop-down menu titled Room to select any of the other rooms from this job in order to view those room reports separately. Now we will take a look at creating assembly drawings for each of the rooms in the current job. Go ahead and select the drawing icon at the bottom of the left toolbar. First, type in a name for the document, then at the top left, select the paper icon to create your drawing. I will select Cabinet Assembly from the top drop-down menu and select Next. Now you will be given the options for the cabinets that are located in the current room, or by using the drop-down menu at the top, you can select a different room. Again, you will see the cabinets that are located within that room. Keep in mind, only one room can be selected at a time. Once you have selected the room and cabinets you prefer, select Create at the bottom of the dialog box in order to see the assembly drawings. And lastly, near the top of the left toolbar, you will see the Bill of Materials icon. Here you are given the opportunity to drop in non-planned items so that you don't have to bring them into the design. Simply drag and drop a cabinet here, and technically it is not a part of any particular room, so an empty room is created for this purpose. These will still appear in the cut list, drawings, and reports so that you can include them at any time, and will be listed as non-planned products in the drop-down list and treated as its own separate room. As you can see, this multi-room feature gives you a great way to keep your job files organized and gives you access to important information either by entire job or by individual rooms. Managing and manipulating each of the rooms within your job design has never been simpler. To view additional video tutorials, please visit www.cabbuildersoftware.com/training.